Hello students, today we are going to start the lesson number 9, Internet and Emailing. In our previous class we have learned about Internet and its largest network of computers which is spread across the world. It is one of the major sources of information these days. We use it for exploring the information on any topic with the help of World Wide Web feature. To connect the internet service, we use communication medium and through ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. Our data is transferred from one network to another. Now we will see how and when it was started and what are the major internet services because of which it has become so popular. Introduction. Internet has become one of the integral parts of our life today. We access this service in our PCs, laptops, tablets, smartphones, etc. Sending mails, accessing bank services, booking railways or airline tickets, shoppings, etc. Our day-to-day activities for which we need to go these places physically to access this. But our smartphone with the internet connection can do all this very easily for us. So let us try to understand these uses of internet facility in details. What is internet? The term internet is derived from the words inter and net, which means between the networks. This services actually connects the various smaller and larger networks of computers across the world to share information among its users. That is why it is also called networks of networks. History of Internet. In the late 60s, USA Defense Department established ARPA, that is Advanced Research Project Agency, with the motive to develop technology to connect the computers for defense services at different locations to provide better communication system during the warm time. In the year 1969, the agency was successful in connecting 4 computers in a network, 1 in California and 3 in Utah. The network was named as ARPANET. Later on, they allowed universities and research centers to connect to this network for sharing their information, due to which networks started growing up very quickly. Today that network has taken the shape of modern internet. Facilities available on the internet. Internet is not just a simple network on which we can share information only, but it provides many other useful services to the users. Some of them are as follows: World Wide Web, that is WWW. This is one of the most popular information retrieval services of the internet. Using this, you can get the detailed information on imaginable topic. The information on www is available in the form of web pages which are connected with each other through hyperlinks. The information on these pages can be in the form of text, graphics, videos, etc. Email. This is another widely used services on the internet which allows to send or receive the mails electronically. These mails are derived within no time to the receivers, and that too without any cost. We can send the mails using text or graphics, or can attach our own files with the email if needed. Online chatting. This facility allows us to exchange the instant text, voice, video messages with the other in real time. To use this facility, both the sender and receiver are required to available online. File transfer. We can use this internet facility to transfer our data files or other programs. This facility is known as FTP, that is File Transfer Protocol. We can avail this service by connecting the FTP servers. News group. News group is a facility where many users post their messages to discuss the subject of their mutual interest. It is like a bulletin board service and it is also referred as forum. Video conferencing. Conducting a live audio video chat between a multiple participants at different locations is called video conferencing. Using this facility, we can also communicate with others using audio visual mode in real time. Persons can be referred as point to point video conferencing, which works like a video phone. To capture the live audio visual data, a microphone and a web camera is used by all the participants. Like this, there are many other services which are accessible through the internet. Here we discuss in details how to use email facility on the internet. What is email? Email is an electronic mail service is used to send the mails electronically from one computer system to another through internet. Where an ordinary mail takes days or even weeks to reach their destination. An electronic mail can be delivered with no time at any part of the world. Moreover, an ordinary mail is much more expensive than an electronic mail. That is why this service has become one of the most popular services on the internet. How to use email? We can use this service free of cost by registering with one of the email service providers to get our email account. There are many service providers who provide service to its users like Rediffmail, Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, etc. This service provider issues a username and a password to the account holder, which can be used to connect with the service provider for using the email service. Opening an email account. To open an email account with the service provider, connect to the internet service. Now open the web browser. Enter the web address to the service provider in the address bar like www.google.com and click the Gmail link on the web page. Click on Continue to Gmail button. The Gmail welcome page will appear. Click on Create account link on the web page to open the registration as shown in the figure. Enter the registration details as needed and choose your username and password. Accept the Google terms and click Next Step button. If the username you have selected is not issued to anyone else, your account will be created and you will get your new email address, the username at the gmail.com, where the username is your unique login ID selected by you and gmail.com is the service provider. Using the email service. After creating your email account, you can use it to send or receive the emails. For logging into your account, open Google web page or click sign in button. Enter your username and password in it. Click sign in button to enter into your mail account. Your email account has following components in it. Inbox. It is the first screen which appears after logging it into the email account. It shows a list of mails received by you. You can see the sender's name, subject, date, time, and each of the mail in a new line. To read the mail, click on the click on the one of you want to read. The mail will open in the window. Composing email. To send an email, click the Compose button in your mailbox window to open the new message window as shown. Now, enter the email address of the receiver to box. Enter the subject of your mail in the subject line. Type your message in the big empty box and click Send button. You can also attach your photos, documents, or other files as an attachment with your message. Click on the Attach File buttons in the new message window to select and attach the required files using File Upload dialog box. Closing the mailbox. Once finished working with your email account, it is important to log out from your email to avoid its misuse by anyone else. Click the sign out option in your mailbox window to close your account and get back to the Gmail home page. I hope you have understood this lesson now. Thank you for watching this video.